Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken a Math Olympiad challenging question from trigonometry. Compute the sum of tan 1 over cos 2 plus tan 2 over cos 4 so on up to tan 2 power n over cos 2 power n plus 1. So here no degree, nothing is mentioned. So let's see how we can proceed. I am writing the general term, that is your, if I'll write tan alpha over cos twice alpha, all are double of that if you observe. Then next I'll put the formula for cos 2 alpha, that will be 1 minus tan square alpha over 1 plus tan square alpha. Then it will be tan alpha 1 plus tan square alpha 1 minus tan square alpha. Now on simplification it will be tan alpha plus tan cube alpha per 1 minus tan square alpha. Now again further simplification, here I'll write this as tan alpha equals to 2 tan alpha minus tan alpha plus tan cube alpha per 1 minus tan square alpha, and I'll make it 2. One is 2 tan alpha per 1 minus tan square alpha, and here negative common, it will be tan alpha minus tan cube alpha 1 minus tan square alpha. So ultimately this is becoming 2 twice alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha minus, here I will take tan alpha common, then it will be 1 minus tan square alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha. Here these two terms will be cancelled. So we are getting 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha minus tan alpha. The first term is tan 2 alpha, we know. So tan twice alpha minus tan alpha. So each term equals to tan 2 alpha minus tan alpha. Then we'll go for telescopic sum. That means first term will be tan 1 over cos 2. It will be tan 2 alpha. So tan 2 into 1, that will be tan 2 minus tan 1. Coming to second term, tan 2 over cos 4 equals to tan 4 minus tan 2. So it will be third term. It will be your tan 4 over cos 8 equals to tan 8 minus tan 4. And coming to the last terms, last term will be tan 2 power n over cos 2 power n plus 1 equals to tan 2 power n plus 1 minus tan 2 power n. So it is obvious that the last but one term must be your started with tan 2 power n, which will be cancelled with this minus tan 2 power n minus 1. So adding all these terms, you'll get this 2 will be cancelled, here will cancel, and your this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled with the last one. So here this term will be left and the last first term will be left. So the sum will be adding all the terms. Your tan 1 over cos 2 plus tan 2 over cos 4 plus tan 2 power n over cos 2 power n plus 1 equals to tan 2 power n plus 1 minus your tan 1. So answer is tan power 2 power n plus 1 minus tan 1. Hope you enjoyed the solution. Thank you for watching.